Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. So today is August 25th. The chart of the day today is the Euro Yen 60 minutes time frame here, 1 hour chart, and we can see a couple of things that we can observe so far. Okay, so you saw the decline here, but notice the structure of the decline was in 3 waves. Let's see the extension here, the A and the B. Now it did not hit the 100%, but it's close enough. Again, this is a 3 swing, right? You cannot call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example, with 5 like this and no divergence, for example, if someone tried to say otherwise. So this one to me was a clear 3 waves, and that tells you a lot, because the decline is 3 waves and then you got a rally and no extension on the third wave, not even reaching 100%, but that's typical of a corrective structure, which is not extending lower in the third swing, and usually it ideally hits the 100%, but in this case it did not hit the 100%, and this is telling you the market is still bullish, right? This decline alone, it speaks of a bullish market, right? So now we are looking for a rally, and we're looking for the rally to extend more. You can argue in the rally looks to be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because of a 5-way sub here, there is a possibility we have extension higher in an ABC zigzag, but overall we are looking for the rally to fail and then turns lower again. So in other words, sometimes we sort of lose the picture of what the real trend is. Now over here, based on this structure alone, we can actually conclude the trend is bullish because it was only 3 waves. So now we are calling for another leg down here. In other words, we are looking for a double 3, or a double correction, which is a 7 swing. But you remember that because the trend is bullish, and if you look at the daily, and there's no question the trend is bullish, because if you can see it here, since we bottomed 2022, even in 2020 we continue to make a higher high and a higher low and higher high and a higher low. That's the definition of a bullish market, right? And now we are pulling back here, right? And we are pulling back from the high, from a 3-year high. So there's no reason to say, oh, this is the major top or anything like that. And now we're looking for something like this. Now because of the structure in the larger time frame is bullish, confirmed by the fact that the pullback is 3 swing here, and we're looking for more upside again. Eventually we're going to break above here, whether or not we're going to see another leg down first, or whether we rally from here directly, we're going to see a break above here, because it has a higher high bullish sequence on the larger time frame, and in the shorter cycle the decline was in 3 swing, which is telling us it is still a bullish market. All right, so what can we do in this particular case? Should we try to sell? And my answer is ideally no, because you know the trend is bullish, so that means that you are looking for eventually more upside, and this wave 2 therefore could have completed here if it wants to, because after all we got a 3 years pullback already. We are calling for another leg down because of some other considerations right now in the indices particularly, but yeah, it's still a bullish market, and therefore if this can really play out here, if the proposed count here plays out, then that means when it finished X you got another leg down, then at the next 100% extension of that bigger 3 swing here, this WXY, you will be able to find buyers again, and then extend higher. Remember, because of the 3 years pullback here, eventually we're going to break above 159.48 again, whether or not we're going to see another leg down. Okay, so that's the idea. So overall it is a bullish market, and potentially we can see another leg lower, especially if indices getting weak. I mean, indices may start getting weak again here, so the yen pairs can also get weak again, and therefore we cannot rule out another leg down. But because of the structure here, if we do get another leg down, we should be able to find buyers again right here. Okay, so that's the update with the euro yen, and as always we're going to continue to update the 1 hour time frame in our service. If you want to get more updates on euro yen or any other forex, commodities, indices, stocks, feel free to check our service, and we have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.